Yung my blog. You know, Mark Domingo Cruz and teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Carl B. Luz. All of you, at least you didn't listen to your family members to play GTA. Can all of you to just stop playing about GTA? Mark Domingo Cruz and Carl B. Luz, huh? Do their parents have never reprimand to stop playing GTA, huh? I am just saying, that GTA is a violent video game, the GTA 5. I do remember when when I realized from the time in 2008 in Thailand, there was a teenager who's 18 years old who shot a taxi driver for playing GTA. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Cruz, when you play GTA 5, you're using a bad words. And you threaten me to what is that? To throw me in the cliff. In the mountain. And I said, how did you have a vehicle like that and put me in the trunk? You know, Mark Cruz, you are really violent anyway. Compared to Paulo Cruzada, compared to teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Full of violence. I just expected. You know, for me, I don't too much violence in this kind of issue. Mark Domingo Cruz, I am telling you, how many times I've been tell you to repeatedly again, I told to Jardino, Jared and I, we already messaged to Christian Mengito to stop playing GTA. You didn't listen. You keep playing GTA 5. You saying about all right. Hey, you keep playing about GTA, Mark Cruz. When are you gonna learn how to stop playing GTA, ha? Even Carl B. Luz. Look at Bill Galang, he stopped playing GTA San Andreas in his cell phone. At least me and Jens Manaid, we don't play GTA, Unlike Bill Galang, at least he listened to me and Jens Manaid not to play GTA, At least Bill Galang is playing in PS4, education game like Sims 4, that's education. That was a game of Terra Francisco. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Cruz, when you play GTA, I don't know who's that characters in GTA 5, and you're mentioning their names like Trevor or something. I do not play GTA. You know, Mark Cruz, that GTA anyway you're playing at, it's too much violence. That's why for those youth anyway, this has really happened to youth, what happened in San Jose National High School in Tacloban. Okay, let's continue my vlog. In San Jose National High School in Tacloban. I'm just saying, Mark Domingo Cruz, teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Carl B. Luz, and even your other allies Mark Domingo Cruz, you need to stop playing GTA. How many times I've been repeated you, Mark Cruz? Even J. Rick Silva, even Jardino, even Christian Mengito. How many times I tell you, you need to stop playing GTA. It's really violence. At least a grow blocks is already prohibited in the Philippines. Okay. Okay, oh, it's really prohibited. Mark Cruz anyway, ha? Don't ever make a lots of death threats over in the threads. Even you force me to drown me in a drop off, just like what happened to Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. If I were you, Mark Domingo Cruz, I will tell Ate Hana to kidnap Mark Domingo Cruz. I make sure that he will be drowned in the Hola Beach Resort in Bataan. He will die anyway. If he threaten me. Or I will tell Teacher Vincent Ramos to kidnap Mark Cruz, bring him in Bolinao Beach Resort. Make sure that Mark Domingo Cruz will be drowned. And then you call me the word asshole word. That's really a bad word. Oh, Mark Cruz, don't ever you say about bad words in social media. I'm the one who say bad words anyway to Lemon the dog that she destroyed. What is that? The lechon box. Oh. I know. I limit my bad words. Oh, I do not say many times about the bad words. In social media, Mark Domingo Cruz, in Instagram or Thread, don't say bad words. If you want to be, if you want your friends to be follow to you, then you never say bad words. Oh, it is very nice to say bad words in Instagram and Threads. Mark Cruz, huh? For playing GTA, most violent video games. At least the Roblox is already banned in the Philippines. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, this is hard to say. When Roydan Marlang says to you, he said to you, stop involving Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. They're already dead. Stop mentioning their names. If they're dead, then don't mention the names. Oh. And don't involve me that you're saying you're gonna be drop up, you're gonna drown me in a drop off, you're gonna throw me in mountains. You know, Mark Cruz, that's why Dan Mardayo distrusted you. You are full of violence. That's why Luis Cabales had blocked you in Facebook, because you are a violence, Mark Cruz. You are full of violence. I'm telling you guys, that man has has a manner. He's just like Francis Leo Marcos. And I am just like MG. If I were saying to you, Mark Cruz, you are telling lies. Even some rascal that she doesn't know her, he pretended himself as a friend in Itbulaga. I say again that some rascal had never met Mark Domingo Cruz. That's a lie. In the Bini, I was told by Ella Pagio, my former friend, she said to me, oh, Mika Lim doesn't know Christian Mengito, and he doesn't know Mark Cruz. That's a lie. Oh, you are a liar. So who's telling a lie, Mark Cruz? Yourself, your other friends? You are a liar. Oh, at least me, I never say you are a liar. Oh, Jerick Silva says to you, sinungaling ka talaga. That's why you're telling lie. Oh, and then you saying about that Mika Lim knows Christian Mengito. Excuse me, Mark Cruz. Mika Lim is different in Cebu. Christian is in Compostela Valley. Different in the province in Cebu. If I were you, Mark Cruz, If I want to tell you something, Christian Mengito, he doesn't know Mika Lim. Oh. Even you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, you're making a bomb joke, you're making a bomb threat over at J-Rick Silva. Oh. You have no friends. So, Ate Dida Guillermo had already blocked you in Facebook. Oh, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan. Oh, even Teacher JD or even the rest of the others. Oh, Teacher Junin Bactad. Oh, even Ate Mel Canete. Oh, they already blocked you in Facebook. Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, that is your consequence for making bomb joke. Oh, and this is the consequence for Mark Domingo Cruz for saying bad words. Millions of your followers in Instagram, including Paul Matthew Somera, I remember Carlos Kanahashi or Rafa Soko or Ronald Rebena. They really hate you, Mark Cruz. Oh, even Wawel Romero. Oh, my former friend. She really hates you. Wawel said to me that that Mark Domingo Cruz is saying bad words many times. Oh. And I say to Wawel, if I say to you, Wawel, if you have Instagram, you can block Mark Domingo Cruz. I-block mo na yan si Mark Cruz. Oh. He says bad words, he say profanity, many times he say foul languages. Even J-Rick Silva in his birthday, last 2024. Oh. You don't really have to be ashamed of yourself, Mark Cruz, huh? For playing GTA, you say bad words. Compared to Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Carbilus for playing GTA, huh? I say to Carbilus, Tita Mona Bilus, reprimand Carbilus not to play GTA. Tell Carbilus play Sims, oh, like Bill Galang. Mona Bilus, the mother of Carbilus, tell Carbilus play Need for Speed. Oh. Play about Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Oh. It's simple. Not too much GTA. Even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, oh, Alexander Pagkalinawan, reprimand your daughter not to play GTA. Oh. But you, Mark Cruz, you really don't understand what you're saying about profanity. Playing GTA. What is it? What is it anyway? Yes. But for Marcos anyway, not to play GTA. GTA is violence. And it's just my blog, I said it's my advocacy not to play violence. And I know that that's really what happened at San Jose National High School in Tacloban. But actually, Bill Galang playing Sims 4 is not violence eh. Yeah, just like the play that game from Terra Francisco, it's not violence. Sims 4. Oh. You see, Mark Cruz, huh? You're playing GTA because you know that is your consequence. You know, I've been talking with J-Rick Silva and George Patrick Opecia, we are warning you, Mark Domingo Cruz, you need to stop playing GTA. Do you want to really happen to the San Jose National High School? The one of two teenagers in Tacloban, there's a shooting incident. That's a far from Ate Rona's house or Ate Marie's house in Tacloban. Huh? They're playing GTA. They're playing Roblox, violent video game. Is this what you like to play, GTA, Mark Cruz? Huh? Mark Domingo Cruz. Don't compare Juan Carlo Pabale as Trevor. If you play violence video game, Juan Carlo Pabale, he doesn't play that fucking GTA. Oh, because he's playing Need for Speed. Oh, I'm just saying. Oh, here's my blog anyway. Mark Domingo Cruz. I'm telling to the family members of Mark Domingo Cruz. I'm telling you. You need to stop playing GTA. Even you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, when you make a bomb threat or hostage crisis, you need to stop playing GTA. Even Carl Bilus. It's very shameless you're playing GTA. Do you want to be really happen to San Jose National High School, Mark Cruz? Huh? Because you're threatening me that you're saying about, oh, you put me in a cliff and you're driving me in the cliff in the mountain. Oh, you want me act like myself as an enemy of Trevor in GTA. You want me to fall in the mountain. Which is not really true. Oh. If I'm saying to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, in my YouTube video, in my vlog, you need to stop playing GTA. Oh, you need to stop. My advocacy anyway. My accusations against Mark Cruz. You need to stop playing GTA and Roblox. That's why Jerick Silva said to you, you're addicted to the violent video game, Mark Cruz. You're addicted. You're just compared to the Tacloban in San Jose National High School shooting incident. Oh, I tell to my parents, oh, because you're playing violence. Oh, look at me. When I lecture Bill Galang not to play GTA, oh, me and Jens Manaid, we are warning at Bill. Oh, there's Teacher Bea. Oh, there's Teacher Ruti Barrientos. Oh, we warned Bill Galang not to play GTA. Oh, it's violence in his cell phone. Oh, I asked Bill Galang, oh, you can play in cell phone Sims 4 of the game of Terra Francisco. Oh, you can play that. Carl Bilus had listened to me. Oh, Carl, thank you. You listen to me. Oh, you play not only to play GTA. Oh, you need to play Sims 4. Oh, at least Carl Bilus is playing Sims 4. At least he listened to Terra Francisco. Oh, he will never play GTA. Oh, unlike you, Mark Cruz, you're brainwashing everyone, even Christian Mingito and Larry Chuanico. You're playing GTA. And making bad words came from GTA. I'm telling ya. Oh, it's violence. If I'm say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, in my YouTube blog, even to all of the family members of Mark Cruz, ha, even the family members of Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, do not play GTA because it's violence. Do you see what happened to the Thai teenager, an 18 years old, for playing GTA 4? He shot the taxi driver. Oh, what really happened? Oh, he was arrested. Oh, that's the reason for you, Mark Cruz. if you don't want to be influenced in the school shooting incident in San Jose National High School in Tacloban, that was I remember from Ate Rona. She chatted me, even Ate Marie. Because Ate Rona that advised to that her youth anyway, because Ate Rona is older than Ate Michelle. Or I think she's older than Ninong Michael. Ate Rona advised the children not to play Roblox. That's violence. At least that her children that listened to her. Unlike you, Mark Rose, you didn't listen to J. Rick Silva. You didn't listen to Carl Bilus, Terra Francisco, and even Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano and Ronald Rebena. You're playing GTA. At least Ronald is not playing GTA. Ronald is playing WWE 2K wrestling video game. Compare like Paulo Cuba. It's not violence. That GTA you're playing at Mark Cruz, it's violence. And you're saying profanity words in Instagram, even threads. Just go, Mark Cruz, like I said to you, wag ka na maglaro ng GTA dahil kasi nagmumura ka pala sa Instagram at sa thread. You know, it's really inappropriate. I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, my vlog anyway, I am warning you to stop playing GTA.